Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So last month we came to know that Motorola was soon going to announce 4 new devices with codename Pstar, Berlin, NA and Kyoto all under its Moto Edge lineup. Recently leakster Evan Blass revealed the moniker for the last one, that is Kyoto, and it will be Edge 20 Lite. And as the name suggests, it will be the most affordable model of the upcoming Edge series. We also have some speculated specs about the cameras for this model. The front camera could be a 32 megapixel lens, while its rear shell is expected to house a 108 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The other details of the phone are under wraps, so you have to do one thing: subscribe to our channel. That is all you have to do. Moving on, now let me tell you about the phone which has code names Berlin and NA. While one is aimed towards Europe, the other is aimed at North America. Yes, NA stands for North America. Both these phones are said to come with the powerful mid-tier Snapdragon 778G chipset, making this an upper mid-range phone. The Snapdragon 778G chipset was built via a 6nm manufacturing process that confers 40% more CPU performance and 40% faster graphics when compared to its previous generation. System-level optimizations on the chip includes the Qualcomm Snapdragon Sound Suite and Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite Gaming Suite. Both technology suites were previously only available in the latest flagship tier Snapdragon chipsets, making the Snapdragon 778G the first mid-range mobile platform to contain 2021 flagship-grade enhancements. And that's enough about the chip. Now let's get to the final phone codenamed Pstar. It's said to be the flagship phone featuring Snapdragon 865 or 870 SoC. Yeah, it's not the latest one or the most powerful, but looks like that's what we have to settle with. It could be coupled with 6, 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and 128 and 256 gigs of storage options. When it comes to cameras, even this phone will come with 108 megapixel lens, but it will be way better than the one found on the Kyoto model. It will be accompanied with 16 megapixel ultra-wide and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. For front, it's set to get a 32 megapixel lens. So that's pretty much what we have in store right now. For more information, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.